Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, we have entered match 12 of our off-season event. The Red Alliance coming strong with team 9999 entering the center of the field. 40-26 and 16-83 seem to be in the corner. 24-15 entering that autonomous cycle. 75-38 outside of the zone. We've got our scores of 18-12 before we've entered teleoperated period. Drivers are now in control of their robots. 24-15, grabbing a game piece to score for the Blue Alliance. Red Alliance 40-26 headed straight for the human player station to see if it can grab a game element. 16-83, game element in hand, ready to place it for their alliance. 99-99, seeing if they can help out the alliance by trying to grab a couple game pieces themselves. 40-26, head over to the Red Alliance zone as well. 16-83, trying to see if they can get a top shelf placement. 75-38, 67-05 in the Blue Alliance community zone, trying to see if they can grab game pieces for their alliance. 24-15, piece in hand from the human player station, getting ready to score. Our scores are 25-19, folks, with 94 seconds left in the match. You've got team 40-26 lining up for a piece grab, and they just miss it. You've got 16-83, piece in hand, headed over to the red community zone to place their piece to score points. 24-15, headed over to the blue human player zone to grab a piece from the human player, and they've almost got it. And 40-26 struggling with that human player placement, but they've almost got it. 16-83, grab a piece in hand, ready to go over to the red community zone. 75-38, trying to see if they can play some defense on 16-83 in the center of the field. 99 seems to be in the red community zone. 40-26, 16-83, both in the human player zone. 16-83, piece in hand. 75-38, amazing defense on 16-83. 40-26, piece in hand, headed over to the red community zone. 75-38, see if they can play some defense on 40-26. And they just slipped by 16-83 in the human player zone. Trying to grab a piece, 99-99. Oh, defense by 75-38. 67-05, 24-15 in the blue community zone, trying to see if they can score points. Score is 43-40. We are entering endgame, folks. 16-83 drops another piece on the high rung to score a point for their alliance. 40-26, back at that human player station, trying to see if they can grab that cone from the human player. 38, trying to see if they can push a cube into the Blue Alliance community zone. See, the Red Alliance, it seems 16-83's claw was stuck for a bit, but they've got it fixed. 40-26, 90-99, working together to see if they can get that climb. 5 seconds left in the match. And can we see we've got a double climb on blue, and the match is over, folks. Our scores will be up in just a minute. All right, folks, we've got your scores ready with a tie. All right, this is a tie for both alliances. Remember, folks, we are headed to lunch now. We will resume matches at 2 p.m., which means matches will begin at 2 p.m. And now to cut over to Peachtree Live.